If you're packing a box for an international removal, the first thing you need to do is get a robust box, twin walls, make sure it's quite a thick, rigid cardboard, and then basically make sure you're going to tape up the bottom of the box with sufficient tape. I normally put 2 stripes across like that, start the sides, and then another along each edge that again I fold round so that it's giving the box a lot of strength. Also make sure you get the right size box. There's a lot of different size boxes you can get. This one's ideal maybe for like books, that sort of thing, and china and glass. If you go bigger, obviously you can only put lighter items in because you don't want to make the boxes too heavy. If you're packing items into this, say it was books, I'd say fill it up to about there, maybe 2/3 full, and then you might want to make some cuts down here and fold the box down over the top and seal it that way, rather than making it too heavy. If you do overfill the box and the box is impossible to pick up, good test is just to lift it and see if you can actually pick it up yourself. You don't want a box being any more than like 15 to a maximum of 25 kilos. Otherwise you'll find that the box, the contents will just fall out the bottom, or the removal crew will struggle actually carrying the box, injure themselves, or drop the box in transit. If you're going to pack fragiles, the best thing is to get any old rubbish. You can use bubble wrap paper and basically just make like a bed at the bottom of the box. You can use towels, linen, cushions, anything like that. Then get your actual item that you're actually going to put into the box. Wrap that in paper is the best thing to use. Again, you can use newspaper, any old paper. Just wrap the item up and then place it into the box. It's quite important that if you're putting plates in, put them on their edge so they're upright like that. Glasses, again, are upright. Anything that's laid on its side, any force from above can obviously snap it in two. So you don't want anything laid in flat. You want it on its edge, basically stacked side by side. And then again, just use scrunched up paper, any padding you've got, cushions, towels, just to pad out any holes. You don't want any movement. Everything's got to be rigid within the box and nothing's loose. So just fill the box up to the top. Again, cut it down if you have to, and then close the box and tape it up as you would have done with the bottom. Very important as well to obviously write your name on the box, write the location that you want it delivered to in your new house. So here we've got kitchen, and then the items for your own reference that are actually in the box. So cups, plates, crockery, whatever you want to put in there. If it's fragile, write fragile on it. Try and get that on all 4 sides. Another good one is top box. If you've got something particularly delicate, especially crushable, put top box, write top box on the side rather than fragile, and explain it to the removal crew, and they'll make sure that's stacked at the top of the pile rather than the bottom. Don't write fragile on every single box, because obviously every single box will not be treated as fragile. If you want more information, go to the Advanced Moves site, advancedmoves.com. Go onto the online blog, and you probably have to scroll down for a while, but at the moment it's quite near the top. How to pack a box for removal. Posted on October the 13th, 2020, and that basically gives you pretty much everything I've said in writing.